Hi vlog, we're at the airport. I look like dog water. Can you see the time? 4:40. This was my first time flying since I was 4. And we were going out of state too, so you can guess I was anxious. I had a mini heart attack before we took off, but once we were in the air, I found out it wasn't that bad. On the way to our Airbnb, it looked like we were about to get murdered. Guys, we're in a horror movie. So it is day 1, in reality day 3. The reason why I skipped some days is because number 1, we didn't do much, and number 2, it was pretty rainy weather out. But it took me a minute to realize that was going to be all week, sadly. And of course the next week after we leave, it was all sunshine and rainbows in New York. So right now this is me getting ready to go to my cousin's college, which is the whole point of the trip. We're there to go congratulate her on her graduation, and I'm so glad she's finally back at home with us. Shout out to her because I know she's watching this right now. I do not know what else to narrate here. I guess just enjoy watching me do this. Oh, today went amazing. It's already starting to rain now, but it's hot. Here's the finished fit. I got my purse, and that's the rest of it. I look like I'm about to bully you, which I would not. I would never. Also, here's the outside. I never gave you guys a house tour or anything. Yeah, super country. We are at 7-Eleven. Guys, Slim Jim and pretty much a Sprite. That's not very kawaii. Alright, so this is my little version of the tour of the campus. I tried to make that day's outfit very sophisticated and city girl-like as we're in New York, but I walk while I was recording this. It was very much awkward and not sophisticated. Latte! I feel so bad for drinking it because the design that my cousin put on it. She probably spit in my drink, but it's okay. Good. What flavor did I get again? You know? I think it's like cinnamon something. Guys, look at it around here. It's so freaking aesthetically pleasing. You see it behind me? Can't wait, I'm hungry. It's the next day and I'm at McDonald's getting breakfast. Well, I guess technically lunch because breakfast was out by the time we got there. And currently preparing for a very busy day in the actual city part of New York. Most definitely did not wear the right shoes for all that walking around, but it was totally worth it for the outfit. So our first destination is the Met, and I thought it was going to be boring because it's a museum, but I actually like the really royally decorated rooms. I don't know how to explain it. They just made me feel so princessy.
Minute nice, like it says, right?
Guys, look! There's turtles. Hope I don't fall in. Haha. Well, it's starting to rain. If you can notice by the water. New York is so random, y'all. It's raining again.
You gotta face it towards the wind, Alana. It's like right here. Are we all going? We should all go to
New York.
Okay. Here, come here. Here, Tom.
Okay, this part was like one of my favorite parts of the trip because we were going to the Nintendo store, and if you can tell, I'm a pretty big Nintendo fan. If you can tell by the background music of every video I have, it's always usually something from a Nintendo game. The store was so cute and creative, like exactly what you'd expect from Nintendo. It's like exactly how I imagined, and I would have bought everything there if I could, but you know. I won't narrate too much here because I want you guys to enjoy the sights, so I'll stop yapping for a bit.
So cute. I don't know which one I want. I should choose. Look at the curiosity. That's cool. It's the last day, guys. All natural right now. Right now we're just sightseeing.